Class A, let's talk about what's coming up in this unit, Unit 4B. We've got for our vocab, in the kitchen, talking about utensils, condiments, and cooking actions like boiling and mixing and cutting and adding things. We are also talking about things in and at the restaurant. Restaurant terms like specials, appetizers, entrees, the tip and the check. Descriptions of food prep, taste, and temp. So you can ask for something to be grilled versus roasted or boiled versus fried. So that's food prep. Taste of things, sour, bitter, sweet, whatever the case may be, and temperature, hot, cold. We're also going to be talking about place settings, what's on the table, so your fork, knife, spoon, napkin, and drinking glass. For grammar, we are finally talking about commands. When you think of commands, you need to have three departments or compartments or files in your brain. One for pronoun placement, which you already know if you check out your pronoun placement notes or the pink pronoun placement poster. Affirmative to commands, because they're one specific way. And then we're going to briefly talk about affirmative vos otros commands, but we're not going to focus on that because you know that they only use them in Spain. And so compartment number one, pronoun placement. Number two, affirmative to commands, and then all other commands. So negative to commands, affirmative or negative usted commands, and affirmative or negative ustedes commands. Things that you have to think of when you're doing all other commands: you have to be aware of irregular yos and stem changers, cargar and zar verbs, and your dishes. Thank you for taking your Unit 4B topics. These notes will be important when you go back to study for your midterm and final and in Spanish 3.